It's no secret that America's economic vitality is directly linked to its manufacturing capability, a capability that can accelerate the rate of innovation in our country. And since its formation in 2015, NextFlex has been on the cutting edge of America's resurgent manufacturing sector. NextFlex is America's flexible hybrid electronics manufacturing institute. It combines printed electronics with traditional semiconductor integrated circuits and substrates that can bend, flex, and stretch, thereby creating a new generation of out-of-the-box electronics for applications in healthcare, avionics, infrastructure, agriculture, and other rapidly evolving industries. Flexible hybrid electronics is proving to be the technology delivering on the promise of the Internet of Things. Formed through a cooperative agreement with the U.S. Department of Defense, NextFlex is a public-private partnership whose goal is to catalyze advanced manufacturing in the U.S. by accelerating the development and commercialization of flexible hybrid electronics. NextFlex is fast-tracking FHE-powered solutions that address some of the world's most critical problems. Stress monitors for bridges, airplanes, and pipelines can enable proactive and affordable asset management. Continuous and inobtrusive healthcare monitoring can provide critical information in patient care and recovery. NextFlex convenes a community of universities, nonprofits, government agencies, startups, and large corporations to not only advance their own manufacturing capabilities, but to transform the extended manufacturing ecosystem into a cost-competitive and responsive network of suppliers. Central to this network is NextFlex's Technology Hub, where members can fabricate fully integrated FHE devices in a pre-competitive environment. They can conduct pilot-scale manufacturing to accelerate the development pipeline from research to commercial availability in a low-risk, cost-effective way. NextFlex has also created a unique workforce development program called Flex Factor. Through its experiential STEM curriculum, it has been inspiring young thought leaders to enter hardware engineering and advanced manufacturing fields. Together with an expanded community of flexible hybrid electronics manufacturers, NextFlex is not only transforming how people live, work, and play, but how America competes and grows on a global stage.